Have you ever texted a woman who seemed interested at first, but then out of nowhere, she starts ghosting you, slow replies? Recently, I had a guy reach out to me about this exact topic. He said to me, Marni, I get a decent amount of matches on dating apps and have even gotten a few phone numbers through cold approach, but women almost always lose interest and stop replying after a few short exchanges. What am I getting wrong? Where am I screwing up? Now, he isn't the only one that this is happening to. I've gotten similar complaints from guys saying that texting is a pain in the ass, because it is, and they keep getting ignored or ghosted by women after a certain point. So in today's video, I'm going to discuss exactly how to text women in a way that amplifies attraction and seals the date. Doesn't matter if you matched with her on a dating app or got her number in person. I'm going to give you the 3 golden texting habits that make women crave you and get them excited to actually meet up. So pay attention and keep watching. I guarantee that if you adopt these 3 habits, you will never get ignored or ghosted by women again. So let's dive in. I'm Marni, and from here on out, I am going to be your very own personal wing girl. So every week, I'm going to give you the no BS info about what women really want, not what they say they want, plus the most effective methods to win over any woman you like. So hit that subscribe button now so you never miss a video. So here are the 3 texting habits that make women crave you. Habit number 1, always keep it playful. When you're texting girls, it's important that almost everything you say should be playful. Every single text you send should ideally have some kind of little joke or playfulness infused into it. It doesn't have to be a full haha joke with a proper punchline, but it must be playful in some way. Why? Because if you're too serious over text, and when you don't really joke around, be playful, it tells the girl that you care too much about liking her. Her approval means too much to you, and that's the biggest possible turnoff for any woman. Plus, it takes away any fun of texting. We want guys who don't need our approval, guys who don't care if we like them or not. And the fastest way to demonstrate that you're that type of guy is to not take a girl so serious. So joke around, tease her, playfully, judge her at sometimes in a nice way. It initiates some banter. You'd be surprised how much that turns women on and creates that gut level attraction. Before I dive into habit number 2, I want to talk about one more habit that every man should be doing. The habit of taking care of your skin, which is why I'm so excited to have Tiege Hanley as the sponsor of today's video, because Tiege will help you take care of your skin by keeping it fresh, clean, clear, and oh so sexy. Women will want to be kissing and caressing that beautiful face of yours. Trust me, women love it when a man takes care of himself. It shows he can take care of her as well. So I recommend starting with their level 1 system, which comes with all the basics: a daily face wash, an exfoliant scrub, an AM moisturizer, and a PM moisturizer. To make things super easy, they provide this amazing instruction card in every box that tells you when to use each product and how much to use and in what order. Very simple, comes in handy. But you don't just have to take my word for it, because they have over 5,000 5-star reviews from around the globe. This isn't something that you want to put off, because prevention is key. So get ahead of any signs of aging. Your future self will thank you. In addition to amazing skin, members of Tiege get tons of benefits, including 20% off the retail price, access to exclusive monthly deals, pause or cancel at any time, free shipping in the US, and because Tiege is sponsoring today's video, they're offering my viewers a great deal. So just click the link in the description below and you'll get 30% off your first box, plus a free gift. So do not miss out on this amazing deal. Go get started today. All right, back to habit number 2. Less is more. This one is so simple, but it has 2 parts. So listen carefully. Part 1, if you are bombarding her phone with text messages or responding to every text of hers within minutes with a lot of information, it's gonna turn her off. Why? Because if you shower a woman with attention like that, when you're just getting to know her, it shows her that you have no standards, you have no life. You're like a desperate guy, and any pretty girl will do for you. You see, a woman wants to feel like they've earned your attention over time as you get to know her. We want to feel like you're choosing to give us more attention because you like us for who we are, not just because we're pretty. She's got to win you over too. And secondly, we want to get a sense that you have other things going on in your life. Believe it or not, no woman wants to be your biggest priority in life. Well, not in the very beginning, but trust me, all of us go for guys who focus on themselves first. Again, in the beginning. So the bottom line is text less. Less is more. You text less by getting busy. Focus on your work, hang out with friends, engage in a hobby, hit the gym, do something other than staring at your phone. But be too busy to act needy And that concludes part 1. Here's part 2 of the less is more mantra. Be concise. When you write a text, don't say more than is needed. I've seen guys write like really long tests. If you can communicate your message in 1 line instead of 2, do it. Again, be concise. It once again shows a woman that you're not overly invested in her already, and she will have to earn your attention over time. Fight for your attention. Habit number 3, don't just be a pen pal. If you want to date a girl, make plans and invite her out. One of the biggest mistakes men make with texting is that they wait too long. They keep texting a woman back and forth and never actually ask her out. When you do this, she's guaranteed to lose interest because she will either think that you're not confident enough to take the initiative and make a move, or she'll get pulled away by something else or some other guy who has the courage to be bold and make a move. So don't be Mr. Pen Pal who never escalates to a date. When a woman is engaging with you over text, your window to ask her out is closing. So make a plan and invite her out. And I'll tell you, if you're looking for a first date idea, you can't go wrong with a simple coffee date or even maybe drinks. Low investment. These are tried and true, so don't overthink it. After maybe 4 or 5 playful, lighthearted exchanges, suggest a meetup. In fact, say this word for word. By the way, what are you doing on X day? Let's meet for coffee in the evening. Maybe not the evening, because coffee can keep you up really late at night, but you know what I mean. If you don't want to be as direct, make it a little flirty, okay? And say something like, by the way, what are you doing on X day? Let's meet for coffee, and I'll see if you are as fun a person as you seem to be over text. This text adds a little bit of a compliment plus a tease on the end, and you cannot go wrong with something like that. Now, I know what you're thinking. What if she says she's busy that day? The best response is this. Okay, no worries. We'll figure something out another time. If you want to be a little bit more polarizing, you can go with, okay, no worries. We'll figure something out another time if I still like you, right? Like something that's a bit of a challenge. Add a little smirk emoji or a winky emoji at the end to make it look playful, and that's it. No further conversation about your invite. You put it out there. Stay in touch, let some time pass, invite her out again, and watch for her response. If she says she can't make it yet again, let it be. Either reduce contact or cut her out completely. She's done. She'll never stop being your pen pal. You've done your part. If she wants to meet up, let her reach out. And that's it. That's the most important points you need to know about texting with women. Now, if you have trouble crafting your text, being playful, and coming up with funny things to say on the fly, which a lot of people do, I have something for you. It's called the Banter Guide. And I've put a link to it in the description box below, and the Banter Guide gives you proven techniques and formulas for being funny and playful with women over text and in person. And it gives you countless word-for-word examples that you can copy and paste right away. From opening lines to teasing tactics to lines that spark sexual tension. I can't even say it, it's making me so excited. You get it all inside the Banter Guide. In fact, you will even get the best replies and comebacks to handle a woman's objections and tests. So if you struggle to come up with things to say when talking to a beautiful woman, the Banter Guide is for you. So click the link in the description and check it out. Thousands of my students have used the lines and techniques inside the Banter Guide to date and be with gorgeous women. And there's no reason why it cannot do the same thing for you. So click the link in the description to check it out. Lastly, thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you found it useful. And as always, I will see you again next week.